We are called apostles, pastors, reverends, prophets. Empilweni mawuphila okungenani mawuyincengo ufuna ukufika la kiwa khona ababe khona abantu abawu2 empilweni. Akangithathe nasesami isibonelo. Mina mzalwana nangu umntaka Eunice. Icheli lapho aka-apostle ubaba wami uNyandile. Wangizala ngakaziwa nokuthi kuyobe bekhona intshukumo. Engizalene yedwa khona udadewabo mhlawumbe bakhona la bangikhulisa basikhulisa kodwa babesikhulisa bebaningi but yena bawaziwa ukuthi uqondene nami ngqo. Babubuyas njengoba usubusisa ihlona kangaka nendlu kaThixo entshukumeni asikwazi sibone ngobusula kodwa back home eShore there can be a woman or an old man owasikabanzi ngawuse umfana usagqokotha abatshekile insizwe asevusi ukhona the apostle asibuyasi kodwa yalubona umfana uyamthenga loyo muntu in your life. Alabakhona ama-encounters abo-Reverend namanye apostle niyorathabe no-apostle Nyandile no-Reverend Shenge. Those are your encounters. Baba mtota uyomcorrecta baba. Thina lezinebe ngaka. Sishaya into eyodwa. Mina ngibona inceku ejwayele ukuphuma ku-TV enebandla elihlala ekhonzele stadium yase Cape Town. Bese ngifuna iyongizala. Ngishiye lo mama lo. Ngoba ngakaza iphathi auditorium. Bese ngicabanga ukuthi one day nami ngiyophatha auditorium njengale yanini. Kanti mhlawumbe nginamathisana nje kubaba uMdodana ukuthi angicoache, angimentorishe, but he is not my father. He is my spiritual coach. Wenza ukuthi ngisucceed in my ministry. Uyamazi ukuthi ucoach akakwazi ukusensa uma mhlawumbe ngiyokwenza ivuselele emoyeni river kanti akufuneki ngini. Kodwa ucoach uzomhlalisa phansi uba uMdodana ethi ya bese uthi fa uthi emoyeni river athi how is the work there ekhona njengamanje okuyo, how is the progress, usebenza nobani, angithi unginika ama-advice aba-management